This is my libation. I live through them, I live through them, I see through them, I breathe through them, I eat through them. This is my libation. This is my libation. My words are like H2O or liqueur, but instead of hitting the floor, it is hitting the core of your very existence. This is for the ones that no longer carry on in this physical form. I ask for your assistance. I invoke your presence in this session with sincerity of the heart, purification of the mind, incantations of the divine, the strife of my life. From the womb of Mother Earth till I am consumed by the dirt, I will always defend your honor with words of power, day by day, hour by hour, for I will never stray away. And they will clear the way, and they will say what they have to say. All you have to do is hear. So I merge with my ancestral spirits through my lyrics, so when I spit it, you can feel uplifted. I inherit their dreams, I inherit their voice, I inherit their struggle, I inherit their fight. Through comedic teachings, I connect with my ancestral and terrestrial readings of all seasons. I could hear them screaming. This is my libation. I live through them, I live through them, I live through them, I see through them, I breathe through them. This is my libation. Ancestral invocation. Name of these great ones. Earth, not Ram, and Kippera, Aminotek, Imhotep, Malcolm X, Amenhotep, Check, King Tut, Martin Luther King, Harriet Tubman, Booker Washington, Harold Walton, Barrow, Frederick Burroughs, Marcus Garvey, King Selassie, Kendall, Stewart Stewart, John Henry Clark, Noreen Bryan, and the Otto Smith, and all the ancestors I forgot, all the pages of history miss. And I can't forget, Miss Sheila Reid Root, not only an ancestor, but the mom of this poet. So he wrote. This is my libation.